Sneakers, comfy, practical, but can they be chic? Absolutely. Whether you're running errands or exploring the city, sneakers don't have to mean sacrificing style. I'm here to show you how to make them work with any outfit. Most of us think sneakers are just for casual looks, but what if they could be as polished as heels? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to style them up effortlessly. I know sneakers aren't everyone's thing, but I love them and hope you'll get inspired. So let's keep it fun. Maybe you'll see them in a whole new way. First, pick the right pair. Not all sneakers are created equal. The sleek, minimalist ones I choose aren't the same as my gym shoes, and they make all the difference. It's all about silhouette and color, keeping it simple and classic. But what if I told you even bright sneakers can look elegant? It's all in how you style them, and I'll show you exactly how. One key thing, stick to 2 to 3 neutral colors for your sneakers. Loud colors can overwhelm your outfit, while clean designs keep things chic and polished. Now, sneakers can be bright, but if you go for a bold design with bright colors, it's hard to achieve that elegant look. So, stick to neutrals or a bright color, but avoid bold patterns for a more refined style. Here's my favorite hack: balance your sneakers with the right accessories. Whether it's a sleek bag, a tailored blazer, or even statement jewelry, these details instantly elevate your look and tie everything together. It's the little touches that make all the difference. Watch until the end to see how these elements transform your outfit. To balance the casual vibe of sneakers, mix them with tailored clothing like fitted trousers, blazers, or structured coats. Tailored pants paired with classic white or neutral colored sneakers can give you a modern, chic look without sacrificing elegance. Dressing in a monochrome outfit, where your top, bottom, and sneakers are all in shades of the same color, creates a sleek and cohesive look. A head-to-toe neutral look with matching sneakers can give you an effortlessly sophisticated vibe. Here's my best tip for finding the perfect sneakers that look elegant and chic. I always browse Instagram or Pinterest for outfit inspiration. I look for stylish, elegant looks and then figure out which sneakers would complement them best. That's exactly what I'm going to do in this video. Show you some inspiring outfit ideas I found, and pair them with sneakers that work beautifully. I hope this tip helps you as much as it helps me. To wrap things up, here are some amazing outfit ideas you can't wait to try. Whether you're aiming for a casual day out or a more polished look, these styles will have you looking effortlessly chic in your sneakers. Give them a try. And don't forget to make them your own. So, what do you think? I'd love to hear how you style your sneakers or which tips you found the most helpful. Don't forget to check out this next video for more outfit inspiration. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.